made it, guys. There go Junior right there standing up. There go my nephew, Jacob, with the black floaty on. There my other nephew over there throwing the ball with my son. And here go my weak ass sister. Gave me hell getting here. Don't make no sense. And you drive crazy. Make no sense at all. But yeah, this is Fugitive Beach, y'all. There's a sign right there. Fugitive Beach. Nope, because she got a fucking Android. Hey guys, there go my small niece. And she recording too. So you guys have plenty of footage. There's Brianna. There is Kayla. There is Kennedy, Armand, Cameron, Jacob, King. All in the water right now. My sister and her boyfriend walked up to the smoking area. If you guys can see that sign all the way up there, it's the smoking area, and you sit all the way up there away from everybody. But yeah, so far I'm liking the beach. It's pretty cool. Fugitive Beach. It's pretty cool. I'll be back, guys. Okay, that's cliff diving over there. You'll see somebody get ready and jump. See somebody for the jump. He said it's cold. You finna get a life jacket? Come on, jump, 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 jump. Look at King badass in the way. Where y'all going? Oh, you're in the way of my camera. All right, be careful. I guess they're waiting for these people down here to move out of the way before they could jump. There's the cliff dive right there, guys. Oh my God, they're taking forever and a day to move out of the way. There we go. Whoa. And pop goes the weasel. Yep, so it's okay out here. I will give this place 10 being the greatest, 1 being the worst. I would give this place I would give it a 6. Those are the slides. There's the mine right there with the red life jacket on, and he's gonna go down the white slide right there with King. So when they get closer up to the top and go down, I'll catch it on video. I'll be back, guys. Okay, we're back, guys, and my nephew and my son is next, and there go Kingston. Woo! Yay! he trying to move. That's Julia. And he helping his cousin. It looks like so much fun. It looks like so much fun, but I'm not getting on that. But I'm about to get back in the water, guys, for a while. Look at him. Dude, you should have went. You should have went first and let him go, cause he was standing there waiting on you. Like, was it fun, King? Cousins helping cousins. Now it's Cameron's turn. Dude, was it fun? Yeah? The what? The slide was cool. Boy, you went down pretty fast. That means you heavy.
I made myself go down fast.
How you do that?
I swung myself off the thing they hold on to.
Oh, you can do that? You gonna jump off that big cliff over there? Why?
Right.
You say fuck that cliff, huh? Why, you scary?
That cliff higher than it looked.
I'm saying, but you scared? Have you did it before? I think you can do it, Junior. You got the life jacket on. You gonna pop right back up.
Falling for too long.
Huh?
Falling for too long.
You fall, but look at the small one right there. That one either. Chicken.
Wait till camera.
I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna go take a little dip.